watching the World T20 unfold up to now the semi-finals. And you know, say, me not see no outer-class team. Australia and South Africa got eliminated and they could have won it. Just looking at the tournament unfold, we saw Ireland beating South Africa, South Africa beating India, Zimbabwe beating Pakistan, New Zealand beating Australia, and England beating New Zealand. Yes, yes. It's like any team could have beat any team. And the West Indies, on their day, could beat any one of those teams. We just needed to pick our best players and play the cricket the West Indies way with some more common sense. This thing about changing how T20 is played is easier said than done. We just need to be smarter in playing our game. And of course, we need a different captain. Nicholas Pooran is not that guy. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, one big consolation for me, the Maverick, in this World T20 is that Australia cannot win it. Yes, yes, yes. Australia is one of those teams where me I carry anybody to win except Australia. So go India, go Pakistan, go New Zealand, go England, go anybody else except Australia.